Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Campbell's tomato soup. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 standard can of Campbell's condensed tomato soup, plus 1 can of milk or water for dilution. Make sure you also have a suitable saucepan, a whisk for mixing, and a serving bowl ready. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. Now let's get to mixing. Carefully open your can of condensed tomato soup and pour its contents into your saucepan. Next, use the empty soup can to measure out 1 full can of milk or water and add that to the saucepan as well. Take your whisk and thoroughly combine the soup and liquid. Continue whisking until the mixture is completely smooth, ensuring there are no lumps remaining for a perfect texture. With your soup mixed, it's time to heat it up. Place your saucepan on the stove top and set the heat to medium. Stir the soup occasionally as it warms to prevent sticking and ensure even heating. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, but be careful not to let it come to a full boil. Continue cooking for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the soup is thoroughly hot and ready to serve. Finally, your delicious Campbell's tomato soup is ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the hot soup from the saucepan into your chosen serving bowl. For an extra touch, consider garnishing it with some fresh basil, a sprinkle of shredded cheese, or a small dollop of sour cream. This simple addition can elevate the flavor. Now, sit back, relax, and savor your warm, comforting bowl of homemade-style tomato soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.